And one of the things that you can do to actually add value if you're selling, let's say, card landing pages to your clients. Again, let's look at an example here, right? This is obviously a curated sort of link in bio, link tree style template. And again, if you're part of our card course community, I'll actually give you a copy of this. This is actually something that I purchased. That's not true. I downloaded this. Originally, this was fee based, but I actually got this for free and then made some slight edits. And I'll give that to you if you're in our course. But one of the things that you can do to add, sort of an irresistible offer or to continue to stack the value as a, designer or web agency or marketing consultancy. Again, I'm not a designer. Like a design dummy, actually. This took me literally, 7 minutes to edit. And you can do this. I mean, you could do this for a client literally in, under 10 minutes. How many of these a day could you do? It's strictly up to you. But let's say you wanted to just add just increasingly more value to the proposition in which you're, trying to persuade or pitch or offer, let's say in this case, therapists, because that's what we're targeting as part of, our niche community in the mindful marketplace community. Let's say you're targeting therapists, right? So you can add another sort of additional, more kind of interactive landing page like this one. Again, this takes mere moments. Let's say you're working for a client here. I'm just going to add my own. Oh, that's not what I want to do. I'm going to add my own location here. So let's say New York, New York. So again, theoretically, you're working here for a client, and you can add specific locations on the map. Let's drag this up. And, again, you're ostensibly, all you're doing here is just adding more and more content that you can add the second page that's actually branded to, let's say, your client, which in this case, let's say, is Dr. Smith, if you're targeting therapists, or, a local restaurant, if you're targeting restaurants, or, a dentist, a designer, a CPA, a doctor. It doesn't matter. You're giving them their own branded experience. So let's add, for an example, let's go to my YouTube channel. All right, so here's an example of my YouTube channel. So let's take a video. All right, so we're going to do that. And again, ostensibly, imagine you're doing this for clients. So this is just a little bit more interactive than card, and it gives you the ability, to really add some additional kind of, cool stuff to your clients' designs. Let's go to Twitter. All right, here's me and my very modest Twitter account. Again, just imagine that you're actually doing this for a client. All right, so let's go back here. We're going to add a link here. Let's go right here. You can change all of the kind of design, the layout. You can add videos. We can go back, let's say, go to my main channel. That's a cheesy video I made yesterday. Let's go back here. And again, I'm just trying to give you a sense of, now I'm going to add the most recent 4 videos on our channel. So let's go back up top. And you can just keep iterating and improving this very, very quickly with very little effort. All right, let's drag this up top. Actually, let's drag it here. Nope, let's go all the way up here. And let's do one more thing. Let's just add a note. All right, and let's change the color. You can also rearrange these on mobile around, what you want to be most prominently positioned. So this is very, very cool stuff that's very easy to do. As you're seeing, it's ideal for designers, it's ideal for agencies, and you're really going to give folks this world-class sort of website. And if you're offering something like a card in addition to this, you can link from here to here, right? And this is, let's say you sell this for $500. I mean, again, you could sell it for more, for less, but it literally would take, you just saw how quickly this, comes together. It could take you an hour for both a great looking card landing page with a newsletter opt-in, et cetera, and a landing page like this that actually has a little bit more interactivity, maybe updated a little bit more often, has tweets and things like that, a map, etc. And is very, very easy to implement for client work. All right. And they're, going to be impressed with the work that you're actually offering them. It's not some shitty, kind of Wix template or one of these, kind of, like really antiquated or ugly designs. All right. So I recommend this as a good combination offer. Again, if you're in our course community, I will actually, and if you want it, I'll give you this template. You can actually get this for free as well, so you don't even need it from me, but I'll show you how to modify it. It's especially useful. Let's see if I can find one with testimonials, so you can see if you're doing this and offering a testimonial service, right? Like you're giving your landing page clients a curation of their, or a collection of their testimonials around the web. This is a great way of offering both this and something like this, and really blowing the doors off your competition, and doing, if you do one of these a day and you sell them both for $300 as a combination offer, how many of these can you do a day or a week or whatever? It's just, you're only limited by dint of your assertiveness, and you're willing to go out into the world and do outreach and target a niche, and then reach out to those folks and introduce yourself and make them an irresistible offer. All right. Again, if you need help and you're in our course community, feel free to ask. If you're watching this on YouTube, hopefully this has been helpful to you as well. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. As always, thank you so much for watching. It's the 12th of April, and I'll probably record a couple more things today, so look out for those as well. Thanks.